Welcome to the Quantum Collective.
I have been going through this book, as you probably know. The Closet of Sir Kenelm Digby opened. He's an English diplomat, different times diplomat, privateer. Is that the right word? The ones that are sanctioned by the government. And he's got a lot of mead recipes in here. A few beer recipes, too. By far, those make up the most of his beverages in this book. If I had to guess, I would say there are maybe 6 non-alcoholic beverages in this entire book. You saw me make one earlier, tea with eggs. That was a very simple recipe. Now I'm going to do another one. On page 130 of this book is to make Stepponi. Take a gallon of conduit water, 1 pound of blue raisins of the sun stoned, and half a pound of sugar. Squeeze the juice of 2 lemons upon the raisins and sugar, and slice the rinds upon them. Boil the water, and pour it so hot upon the ingredients in an earthen pot, and stir them well together. So let it stand 24 hours. Then put it into bottles, having first let it run through a strainer, and set them in a cellar or other cool place. Not as simple as tea with eggs, still pretty damn simple. As you will see, I took a few very small liberties. I was not very careful peeling the zest of my lemons, given the time period that this recipe came from, and also the amount of sugar and sweet things in it, and the relatively short steep time. I figured we would not extract very much bitterness from the pith, and any bitterness that we did extract would be very welcome. We'll see how that goes, won't we? That certainly has a smell to it. Smells raisiny and lemony. Surprise! I know you're not supposed to pour alcohol, but this isn't alcohol, and it's meant to be drunk quickly, so it should be fine. Continuing the theme of questionable brewing practices, I'm gonna pour it. There we have it. Roughly a gallon of Stepponi from the Closet of Sir Kenelm Digby opened. You might have noticed I didn't do a tasting in this video. That's gonna have to wait. Every day this week I'm going to release a new video, a new component to this meal. Tomorrow, another beverage. The day after that, dessert. And then we get into the main and side course. I have yet to decide what order those will be in. In hindsight, it's probably obvious, isn't it? You'll have to wait until after all of the creation videos are up, and then you'll find out what I thought.